Deep within the workshop, these massive engines of war were constructed. Their sole purpose, the calculated destruction of the strongest castles.
Heave! Pull tighter on the left rope.
It's caught on the beam!
Watch the counterweight.
Lift it higher! More rope on the left! Watch the beam! Stoke the fire, we need more heat! Mark that one for the ram. Bring her down hard, lads! Get back, she's going down! Run for your lives!
16 feet. Mark it for the trebuchet.
Aye, 16 feet.
This chunk here, crack it.
Aye, that's the rich vein.
Rubbish.
And turn. 1, 2, 3. Hold the tension steady now. How many hides are ready?
42, master.
Send the next load of timber to the carpenters.
Heave!
Steady on the left. Bring it round. Lower it slowly into the notch.
Together, ho! Heave together, ho!
It's standing. Well done, everyone. A little more to the left.
The wedge is tight.
Hold it there. It's set. Pin it now.
All right, the fulcrum must be exactly here. Mark the center point.
40 feet overall, sir. The basket needs to sit at the 13-foot mark.
Applying the chalk now. Steady, lads.
Ready, drop it!
Mallets, now! Drive it flush!
Get that corner seated. Harder, man. It must hold the weight. hold the line. Lower it slowly.
It's scraping. Guide it left.
Secure the brackets, quickly.
Keep going, deeper on that hole. The bundles must sit flush.
Aye, Master. It's nearly through.
It won't budge. We just need to cap it. This is the strongest wood here.
Heave! Pull tighter on the left rope.
Watch the beam, it's slipping! 20 paces, mark it here.
Aye, driving the stake now.
Heave! Pull together now!
This one is balanced. Roll it steady now, mind the aerodynamics on the ramp.
Heave! All right, slowly now. It's scraping the leather.
Adjust to the left, steady.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Full 3 feet penetration. The structural integrity is completely compromised.
Truly remarkable, Master. I am documenting the stress fractures now.
All right, men, heave! Lift it! Dragging it now! To the left! Tighten the main ropes! Heave and ho! Back and forth now, keep the rhythm strong.
Keep soaring. We need more beams by sundown. Tighten those ropes. They must hold the weight.
Ready the hooks for the next batch.
It will not hold. Bring it down, this one is rejected.
All right, men, heave. Hoist it up steady. Steady now, heave. She's lowering.
All soldiers, prepare to cross! "57, 58, 59 stones.
Check the ropes on the ram.
Aye, they're secured.
Behold, my lord, the finest trebuchet in the kingdom. It can cast a 90-kilo projectile over 300 meters.
Impressive, engineer. It meets the king's requirements.
Man the walls! Ready the boiling oil! Archers to the battlements! They come! Hold the line! Heave that beam up now! We need more rope over here! Moving it! Moving it! The siege begins! Attack! They've broken through! Look out! The wall is collapsing! Ready, men! Release the latch! Firing now! To the winches! We need more stone! Push! Keep moving forward! Heave! Hold the line, men! We are almost there! Heave! Get the next one ready! Fire! We're burning! Get water! Aim for the top deck! Push forward! Get those barrels up here now! Move! Heave! Ho! Heave! Ho! Break the gate down! Heave! Ho! Heave! Hold it steady! It burns! Get it off me! Pull back! Fall back! For the king! Climb faster! They're almost at the top! Repel them! Move! 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 Help! Victory! To the king! It's collapsing! Get back! The breach is open! Run! Push them back! For the king! Hold the line! Shields up!
The trebuchet arm is cracked deep. We can't risk firing it again.
The catapult's torsion is shot too. We'll need weeks for repairs.
The old wall was too thin here. We must widen the base and add a rounded bastion.
Yes, master. The cannonballs shattered the square tower instantly.
Look at how the counterweight works. It's pure physics.
Yeah.
This stuff.
It's incredible that they designed this centuries ago.
As the counterweight drops, the energy transfers, launching the projectile. This is how castles were breached 600 years ago.
From the trebuchet to modern artillery, the technology evolves, but the underlying mathematical principles remain eternal.